Life's a whirlwind when you're raising a growing family, isn't it? Between those adorable baby giggles and the pitter-patter of little feet, there's also the constant challenge of managing the ever-increasing pile of stuff that comes with it. But fear not, because there's a clever solution that's going to help you navigate this journey with ease. Welcome to the world of self-storage for growing families, where space-saving magic happens. You know the feeling, those cute baby onesies that are just a tad too small now. The stroller that's been replaced by a tricycle, and don't even get started on the mountain of baby gear that somehow seems to multiply overnight. Introducing the ultimate growing pains solution, self-storage. It's like having an extra room right when you need it the most. Simply stow away those outgrown items and baby gear, optimizing your home space as your family expands and your children grow. Now let's talk about playtime. Toys, toys, and more toys. They're a joyful part of childhood, but they can quickly turn your home into a chaotic playground. But here's the game changer: using self-storage to manage and rotate your kids' toys. Keep some toys at home for playtime and stash the rest in your self-storage unit. Then, when your little ones are craving something new and exciting, simply swap out the toys. It's like having your own secret toy library that keeps playtime fresh and your living space clutter-free. The changing seasons bring their own magic, but also a lot of extra stuff. Those holiday decorations, winter coats, and summer swim gear all need a home when they're not in use. Store your seasonal items in your self-storage unit so they're out of sight but always accessible. With everything neatly organized in your storage unit, maintaining an organized home throughout the year becomes a breeze. Ready to make a change for the better? Visit Arcos self-storage at www.arcostorage.com. Discover clean, safe, and secure storage options that will transform the way your family lives and grows. Embrace the extra space and the extra peace of mind, because you deserve it.